Hello there, welcome to St. Ray's class, a channel where we make learning so easy and absorbable. We'd like to try our hands on this question on ratio, proportion, and rate. If this is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe to the channel. It reads, a man shared an amount of money between his children, Baba and William, in the ratio 6:5. Baba received 1,200 Ghana cedis. Find the total amount shared. William invested a share in an account at the rate of 20% simple interest per annum for 2 years. Find the total amount in his account at the end of the 2 years. So the question says that there is a man who shared his money between his two children, and these children are Baba and William. So he gave Baba an amount of 1,200 Ghana cedis and William an undisclosed amount. Now, the question says we should find the total amount that was shared by the two children, but the question didn't tell us. Now, the money was shared according to these two children in a ratio of 6:5. 6:5. So we're going to find the total ratio, that's the summation of the two ratios, 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. And 6 plus 5 is going to give us 11. So the total ratio is 11. Now Baba's share was given, which is going to help us find the total amount. So we use a simple proportion rule that if 6, which corresponds to Baba's ratio, if Baba's ratio, which is 6, corresponds to an amount 1,200, because the question said Baba received 1,200 Ghana cedis, then the total ratio, which corresponds to the total amount, which happens to be 11, will correspond to x. So we have to find x. So if 6 is equal to 1,200, then 11 equal to x. Is it going to give us more or less value? That will be more. So if more, let's divide. Now they cross multiply, so 1,200 will multiply 11, and that will give us 13,200. And then 6 would multiply x, and that will give us 6x. So we divide both sides by 6. 6 will cancel 6, and 6 will go into 13,200, 2,200 times. So therefore, the total amount shared was 2,200 Ghana cedis. The total amount shared between these two children was 2,200 Ghana cedis. That is for I. So I. William invested a share in an account at the rate of 20% simple interest per annum for 2 years. Find the amount in his account at the end of the 2 years. So William's share, now we know the total share to be 2,200. So we subtract Baba's share, which is 1,200, and William's share will be 1,000 Ghana cedis. Now William invested a share, so that 1,000 Ghana cedis will become the principal because he earned an interest at a rate of 20% and at a time of 2 years. So with the simple interest formula, it says that principal times rate times time, all divided by 100. The principal happens to be 1,000, which he invested, times the rate 20%, times the time 2 all over 100. So solving this will give us 400 Ghana cedis. So he earned an interest of 400 Ghana cedis. The question said we should find the amount at the end of the 2 years. Amount is given by principal plus interest. The principal happens to be 1,000 Ghana cedis and the interest 400. So the amount William gets in his account at the end of the 2 years will be 1,400 Ghana cedis. So therefore, William's share will be equal to 1,400 400 Ghana cedis. This is the solution to this question on ratio and proportion. We have a lot of exciting content coming your way. Stay tuned. This is Henry, your humble tutor. Thanks for watching. Bye.